Hi guys, welcome everybody to this interview. I'm here with Dunhill. Dunhill, how are you?
Hi, I'm great. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. Dunhill, where are you from? How long have you been trading? Tell us a little bit about you.
I'm from the Philippines. I've been trading for about 8 years.
Hey,
Uh, I'm a day trader. I'm a momentum trader. On my day job, I have a business as my day job.
so you have you make an extra income from trading.
Yeah. Hopefully, I want the business to be the extra one
To be the trading your main business.
because of the pandemic. At least you have an alternative.
Yeah, and trading does not, you don't get affected from
Yeah.
outside things like a pandemic when trading. So Dunhill, you have been trading for a long time, 8 years, you say, and you have a very impressive growth chart that I will show. You have completed your first level in a very short time and few amount of trades, a lot amount of trades. So, in those 8 years of trading, what would you say was the key moment in your trading career, or when did you become profitable?
When I understand that I can't be 100% right about the market, losses are inevitable. So I need to be efficient. I just need to be efficient. I need to earn a lot when I'm right. When I'm losing, I should cut early as much as possible. I feel like trading is more of to be a good trader. It's a game of how good are you in cutting losses than in taking profits, because it is the way in preserving your account. The profits will follow.
Yeah, focusing on risk management, it's the most
Yeah.
important, as you say, and cutting your losses and letting your wins work for you, right? Yeah, that's super wise to say. And let me show you with let me show to everyone your statistics. So this is your first account, your level one account, and you completed in only 25 days and 40 trades. And sometimes people, because of the relatively low leverage we allow in our programs, or the relatively low drawdown that you can go into it, which is only 4% from the initial balance, people think that will take a lot of time to get to the targets and to complete the levels. And here you prove different. So how do you do that? How do you do to complete the first stage so quickly and efficiently?
Basically, I started risking low. When I'm winning, I basically scale up. When I'm losing, I'm scaling down. So to protect my gains, I'm scaling down. So when I'm earning, I'm scaling up. So I increase the gains. That's how I overcome the low leverage
Okay, so you basically start low and grow. Start slow
and
and
grow. I compound.
yeah, you compound your
When I'm losing, I scale down. So my losses will not that be big.
will not affect you that much. So, and we can see that and the emphasis you do on risk management on your super high risk reward, which is 5, very high, and we can see your growth chart, which is just going up and up. So would you mind sharing with the audience your strategy, how you trade?
Basically when I wake up in the morning, I look for the stronger currencies. I gauge their strength and I pair the strongest currency to the weakest currency. If I can, for example, if I find odd strong and JPY weak, I will look for setups in odd JPY. If I can find one, I'll go for a little weaker. For example, if USD is also weak but not as weak as JPY, I'll try to look at odd USD. If I can see a setup there, I'll trade. That's how basic. Then I look for the setup. My setup is simple. When I go with the momentum, then I wait for the retracement, then wait.
Okay, and how you know which currency is weak? You use an indicator or something, or just based on price action, or how you determine which currency is strong and which one is weak?
I'm a naked trader. I don't use any indicators. I don't even use lines as support and resistance because I want to trade what I see, what not what I think. I only trade the obvious ones, as they said, the low bearing fruit trades, the easy ones. So when I can't understand the market, I just don't trade.
Okay, and there's something very interesting in your account. This is your first account, and you have a 43 pip average profit, and then on your actual account, the one you're trading now, which is you're also profitable in this one, your average profit is exactly the same, 43 pips. So we sometimes we see when people get a larger account, they start trading differently. They're they change their strategy or their system or their statistics. They don't look the same. And in your case, they look very similar. So how you do that?
I focus on percentage. I don't look at the value of money. I just focus on the percentage. If I'm trading 0.33%, I'm trading 0.33%. When I'm losing, when I'm winning, I'll trade 0.42%. I use an indicator. I'm using one indicator. Uh, it is for lot sizing. I'll set for example, if 0.33 is $30 or $40, I'll just place it. For example, 0.33 is $40. I'll just put $40. Then I will know how much volume will I use. It's just fixed because it will average to 43 pips and eventually trading a lot of pairs.
I see. And great. So you have been getting paid a few times after your first account, and lately you have been getting paid. And you just need to grow this second account to to, to a 10% target, so you get a level 3 account. You get a double.
Yes,
So that
yes, my
I guess that's your next.
uh, my system is I built my system for consolidating market, but my system works better in trending market. I'm just waiting for the trending market. So hopefully I'll reach the 1.2 M. But I'm not in a hurry. If it takes 2 years, 1 year, it will be all right with me. But I'll just wait for my system to have its advantage. Like now, for me, the market is consolidating. I'm just trading twice a week. But when the market will is trending, uh, I'm sure I'm in the market uh, almost every day.
Yeah.
Like in my level one, I'm always 2 weeks straight that I'm trading every day. But there is also 2 weeks I think that I don't even trade because the market was consolidating the first 2 weeks of my level one account.
Yeah, and that's an important message because traders want to be active and involved in the market. So they imagine and they create setups that they're not there because they feel the need to be active in the market. And sometimes the best thing to do. Okay, so Dunhill, some final words, your overall experience with the fibers, and maybe for someone who's just starting the path with the company, what would you say? What would you like to add?
First, for people who are just starting to trade, trust the process. You should put work to it because this is not an easy profession. Then focus more on money management, discipline, and risk management. Then the strategy will follow, and then the money will follow. My experience in fibers, I like it because everything that everything that I'm earning, I just pull it out there. But my account is going bigger because you are funding me. That's what I like it. And I'm my discipline is being polished as well because I feel like someone is watching me always, so I need to follow my rules. That's it. That really helps me a lot. I think it will eventually my win percentage will improve. Will improve also because sometimes I don't follow some rules, but with the fibers, I think it will elevate my discipline more.
Yeah. Like someone to stay accountable to.
Yeah, I'm more accountable with the.
Nice.
What's the other question?
Just your overall experience. Anything you want to add?
Maybe keep learning. You can't just buy a system then it will just work for you. There's a lot of system out there. I think every system out there will work is working, but it fits different people. Trading is more of your personality. You should find the system that fits your personality.
Correct. Correct. And that's a process. It's something. It's not takes time to get there.
Yeah, it's a process.
Yeah. Great. So thank you very much, Dunhill. I really appreciate the time and the interview and the words for everyone. And I wish you best of success and just keep the good trading and hopefully I'll see you in your next account.
Yeah, see you.
Have a nice day.
Hopefully.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.